into it. Holy nothing. Okay. Let's start on the daily time frame. So off the daily time frame, we finally tapped into that. Not even tapped, filled that daily fair value gap that I wanted to see yesterday. We had a big ass S&T. So I was like, okay, guess we're not going there. So I thought in my mind, because usually when we fill out a fair value gap like that and don't go there, it's kind of protected, right? So I was like, nice, this low is protected. Boom, right? Going to 4 hour, coming out this 4 hour gap, took out all those levels. Going to 1 hour, we inverse these 1 hour gaps right here. These, whatever. We had stacked lower resistance above. So, I mean, my bias was pretty fucking simple. My mind, I was thinking I'm super bullish. I want straight longs here, right? Easy longs. Only thing I wouldn't have went long for reason is because ES is like super neutral. Boom. We have stacked low resistance under ES and also stacked low resistance kind of above ES. So yeah, watch this. Boom. So I mean, yeah, I was just super like, I don't know, just it's like an ugly bitch, okay? But I was like, okay, well, I mean, we still have ES, and yes, I mean, we still have NQ, and NQ looks super bullish. So, I mean, I'm fucking bullish, you feel me? So, yeah, I was like, all I need is a retracement or some shit to go along. If I did want shorts, I want to see the high time from inverse downwards and continuation off that. Which, I don't know if we actually got. We're gonna see in a bit, but I didn't really expect us to go down here. We had like relative equal highs, kind of, relative equal lows, kind of, for London that were dang near equal lows. I didn't give a fuck. We were in a 15-minute gap at the time. At 9:30. I mean, pretty fucking simple bias, right? We had an hourly, unmitigated gap, unmitigated gap inside of OTE. I'm like, dude, just go down, tap the gap, fucking inverse to the buy side, right? And I was like, simple ass day. So, yeah, pretty simple bias. What happens? Oh yeah, also there's like this low resistance area under OT which I didn't give a fuck about because it looks like shit. It low-key doesn't, but like I was like, I don't know. There's a little low resistance area right here with a 5 minute gap. Anyways, price opens, boom. Guess what? Bam, bitch. 1 hour gap tapped, OT tapped. Right? I'm like, this is amazing. All right, what can I do with this? Well, buddy. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, build some more low resistance right here. Boom. Calm little 3-4 pointer low resistance break even spot with intermediate high of a 5 minute fair value gap. So I'm like, this is perfect. Perfect, right? Yeah, this looks bullish. You know what I'm saying? What happens? Okay, what happens? Bam. Nigga. Oh, there you go. Bam. There you go. Get this 1 minute right here. And I take this first 1 minute. Now, I wasn't waiting for the fuck these, like, a 5 minute right here and this 5 minute right here. But I was like, this 1 minute looks pretty fucking good, bro. I'm gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and just took this 1 minute on my eval. And I went break even once all of this low resistance gets taken out of the intermediate 5 minute thingamabobber. So, boom. Oh my gosh, it's doing the fucking thing again, Johnny. Blah, 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 blah. Go to 1 minute real quick. So, we take out these highs over here, and I don't give a fuck. I was like, we have room for retracement. Boom, go back and draw down for a little bit. We break out. Boom. Right, because like, this is the main initial break even point. Like, this is the last point. So ideally, I'm not just going break even at these highs. this one as well. Why? Because I have strong conviction. So yeah. This one I was aiming for the full day profit because like overall my TP is like all the way the fuck up here, but like all I needed was a small little portion for my full day profit or whatever on the eval. So yeah, this happens and I was like, okay, I might take an XFA trade here off this 5-minute inverse right here. This looks super confusing, sorry. And that 5-minute break even point was still available to go break even at, so I was like, nice, I can still take this. So boom, I entered off this high feature right here. Second trade, entered, kaboom. And I was gonna aim for Asia, I didn't want to aim for the whole low resistance. And something just to keep in mind is, I was anticipating we might just build more low resistance and just fucking reverse. So I want all my break even points to be under this high right here. Yeah. So boom, at this point I'm in one eval trade, just aiming for that full profit, which is around here. I think around there. And then on my XFA, on the 5 minutes, aiming for Asia. And I was like, okay, I might scale in more on an XFA, because I have 2 XFAs right now. On my second XFA, if we get this inverse right here, because I think it's more probable. And I'll only take it if we get this inverse while taking this really kind of maybe probably shit portion of like levels right here. Of like this low resistance kind of. Yeah, so it's like my third break-even trade area. So, yeah, I'm up on all my trades. I'm already breaking even 2 my trades I was in. And then we get that 5-minute IVG without taking out all the break-even points yet for the third trade. Boom. So I'm on 3 trades right now. 3 different levels aiming for the same thing. Or, yeah, basically. Except for the eval. And breaking on 2. And third trade, I was about to break even. I was like, alright, bet. I'm waiting for this high to get taken out. And you wouldn't fucking believe it. Oh my gosh, I wouldn't fucking believe it because this thing keeps fucking doing that. We made equal highs and just dumped. And I got break even and I took a loss on this trade. On my third trade. So, what the fuck? Something to keep in mind, honestly. At this break-even point, I was like, do I go break even? Like, it made equal highs? Like, I don't know. I was like, I have conviction. I think we're gonna maybe retrace a little bit and go equal highs. And then it started dumping hell, and I was like, alright, I'm fucking wrong. So, yeah, got the break-evens. Lost, break-even, break-even. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? So, yeah, pretty crazy. Some things I will say, I noticed, I was like, oh, okay. 1, I could've went break even after made equal highs. I was like, okay, well, looks like I'm fucking losing. 2, we got this 930 wick down here in these levels, but like, it's like, I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? But also I should've, because it fucking came back down there. We had all this stacked low resistance, so. Wrong bias, nigga. And ES was just pumping significantly more than NQ. And I started noticing I might get fucked in the butthole here because ES has fucking gaps under it. It was ripping so hard we have this just imbalance, So I was like, I might get fucked in the butthole here. ES is a big factor over here, you know what I'm saying? It's just a bunch of shit. I was like, ES might be making me lose here, quote unquote, right? So that's another factor. Also, that ES was like low resistance both sides. I guess ES is just a stronger leading penis today. So I don't know. NQ was just butthole rape fuck. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Word spam, nigga. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. I'm still up on the week, so I'm chilling or whatever. But always could be better. Pretty annoyed that about today, cause it's the second day. We're just first fucking edging shit, and he is ripping shit. So who knows? We'll see you next week. Next will probably be next week will probably be better. So yeah, but I want to see something real quick as well, cause I think like it just dumped. Nigga, like what the fuck? It just fucking dumped. Taking all this bullshit over here. Where do you guys go? You guys made Eagle fucking Lows. Oh my gosh! Like what the fuck? Just genuinely mind fucking, bro. And there's SMT there. Wow. Yeah, I see how the shorts played out, bro. I was just long biased though, so I see why shorts definitely played out, bro. This is pretty good. Wow. Yeah. Props to whoever took this shit. Some days you win, some days you lose. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you get some bullshit happening to you.